Please, Romeo, the time is been 270 degrees 9 knots, runway 27 left, clear for land. So that's going to start off with the 4 level. Take it up,